Hello, in this video we will learn how to solve rational equations. So, you might have heard me say that if we were to have, for example, 5x plus 2 over 3x minus 5, and you wanted to find the zero, what you do is just find the zero of 5x plus 2. Well, we'll see why in this video. So, actually, if you had a over b is equal to c over d, and you wanted to solve for this, you could actually just solve for a times d is equal to b times c. So you multiply this times this and this times this, so you just get rid of the denominators by turning them into the numerator in the other side of the equation. So this is a very similar case. We can actually, this is basically A and this is B, and here we don't have a D, we only have the C. So we can just solve for A is equal to B times C. However, if we multiply B times 0, so that's 3x minus 5, and we multiply that times 0, well, 0 times anything is just 0. So this is just equal to 0. And therefore, in order to find the zero of this rational right here, we just need to find the zero of 5x plus 2. But now you see why. So now you know why you can just take the shortcut and don't worry about just like multiplying everything. It's not necessary. So let's look at another example. What if we didn't have a zero? What if we wanted to find when 5x plus 2 over 3x minus 5 was actually equal to a number? So let's say that we want to find when this is equal to 1. So we do the same thing we did before. So we multiply both sides by 3x minus 5. By multiplying both sides by 3x minus 5, we make sure that we are still having the same equation, the same relationship, because what you do to one side of the equation, you want to do that to the other side as well. So by doing so, we get 5x plus 2 and 3x minus 5 and 3x minus 5 cancel out is equal to 3x minus 5, because 1 times 3x minus 5 is just 3x minus 5. You can think of this times 1 and you distribute the 1 to each term, and it's just 3x minus 5, like I said before. So now you just want to find x. We can subtract 2 from both sides, and you get 5x is equal to 3x minus 7. We can subtract 3x from both sides, and we get 2x is equal to negative 7. Divide both sides by 2, and you end up with x is equal to negative 7 over 2. And that's our solution. Now, just to make sure and see that this actually works and that by multiplying both sides by 3x minus 5, we didn't change anything, let's plug in that value to x and see if we actually get 1. So 5 times negative 7 over 2 plus 2 over 3 times negative 7 over 2 minus 5. So here we get negative 35 over 2 plus, and we can translate it like write this as 4 over 2. It's the same thing, but that way we can just do this addition easily. We get negative 31 over 2. And now for the denominator, we have negative 21 over 2, and we can just multiply 5 by 2 over 2, which is just multiplying it by 1, so we're not changing anything. but we get negative 10 over 2. So that way we have the common denominator right here, and we can combine terms easily. And we get negative 31 over 2. So we get actually negative 31 over 2 divided by negative 31 over 2, which is of course 1 because x over x is equal to 1. So negative 31 over 2 over negative 31 over 2 is just 1. And we actually have proven that we got the correct answer.